Hello, this is Jesse from Deep South Beekeeping and More. Today I'm going to change the air filter on a John Deere Gator 825i. There's the frame part number for the air filter.
There's a clip here and one on the back side. Pull the housing off. Remove the filter. Wipe out your air box. Replace the housing. Do the clip on the back side. And that completes the job. Hope this video was helpful to you. This is Jesse with Deep South Beekeeping and More. I'll see you on the next video.